Hello everyone, this is Albert from Kaku. Today I would like to recommend our car jump starters, JS-69F. It has 16,000 mAh with pin current 600 amperes. It can start at up to 5 liters gasoline cars and 2 liters diesel cars. There are 5 outputs and 2 inputs. This is the 12 voltage jump starter output and 2 USB outputs, 1 12 voltage output, and the air pump outputs. This is the 12 voltage input and 15 voltage input. You can press the button. There are 3 modes light. Press again. Now I would like to show you how to start the car.